My name is Bailey Jordan, and my motto for this year is try harder because it'll never be enough, and you can always do something better.
My name is Caden Martin, and my motto is get the puck in the net.
I am Casey Bounds, and my motto for this year is to put yourself out there and to do everything with confidence.
Cole Hugendorn, my motto is discipline.
My name is Rio White, and my motto this summer was get that money.
Hi, my name is Aiden, and my motto is what kind of fool thinks of defeat before even trying.
My name is Lauren Lucas, and my motto this year would be to not follow other people just because you want to go with them. Do what you want to do and what you think is right.
I'm Kale Klaus, and my motto is get that diploma.
My name is Lindley Owen, and my motto is you only live once, be kind to everyone.
Hi, my name is Chrissy Poo, and life isn't about finding yourself, it's about creating yourself. And that's something I've always kept with me ever since my freshman year.